This is a portable coffee pot where you're supposed to be able to make coffee anywhere as long as you have a stove. Fill it up with some water, and I bet you're thinking, how are you supposed to brew it? Well, you put this thing on top, you fill it up with some coffee grounds, close it up, you put on the stove. I hope it doesn't break. And then once the water is hot enough, it's supposed to be like a geyser where it pushes the water through that hole, dripping down into the coffee, back down into the pot. Color looks a little bit lighter than my normal coffee. I probably just need to add a little bit more coffee grounds. It takes about 10 minutes just to make this. It's a little on the light side. There's better percolators out there, 4 out of 10.